What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going over Bitcoin and the Bitcoin prices, as well as how you guys can get access to my Neo's Ideas section, where you guys can see here 17% profit so far, 3.6, 1.8. Let's see here. Over on Cardano, we're talking about 30% profits. 35%, 24% on Sushi Swap. All these can be traded over on Bybit, 17%. So if you guys want to know how to do that, make sure you guys are watching the video. If you want to just skip straight to it, go down below, sign up to Bybit, then join the Discord and let me know once you have signed up to Bybit, and I'll add you to this Neo's Ideas. But yeah, so let's go over the past couple of days and how we've been trading and how the team has been trading it. You can see here we've got some of the wins that were posted up by the team recently. Max has been trading like crazy. Iceman's been trading. Michael C has been trading. Ocean has been trading. And all these people are in here trading live right now as well. So yeah. So first things first, these past couple of days, I ended up shorting right here and ended up getting 800% on that trade. Let's see. Whoops, I had to switch that out. But anyways, so this is on the USDT pair. This says 32347 or 46 is my entry. And here, let's go ahead and take a look at that. 32347, and yeah, that's 800% on that trade. And so let's go over why we took this trade. Well, here it was simply, if we pull our Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, we came down to here, and we also had our weekly VWAP. So we were looking at shorting that area, and we basically did. And then some of the people in the group were live trading, and they were longing this area because we had these swing failure patterns come up. And so for people that don't understand what swing failure pattern is, we do have these swing FPFs, SFP ideas section right here, where we were just going over this. And for Bitcoin, Max had an area that he was looking at for a swing failure around 32,247, and we ended up hitting that area, as you guys can see here. Boom. This is the area that, again, I just talked about shorting as well for the swing failure pattern, as well as the weekly VWAP. And so that trade was an 8% for the idea that Max had. And also too, we had these swing failure ideas right here that I posted up on June 15th. I was looking for this area, 32,200. And what ended up happening was, this was beforehand. So then, there we go. So there's that, June 15th. Then on June 16th, we had the move to the downside. And then this is where, so let's just go over how everything has happened so far, right? So, and the reasons, because we want to be able to help you guys trade better and get better. So first thing, June 15th, we were talking about, July 15th, we were talking about this swing failure pattern, this first one. So then June 16th rolls around, right? This is the 15th. June 16th rolls around, we short that. Right here. June 16th rolls around, we short that, we come down, and then people in the group were longing right here. Then on June 16th, we were looking for June 17th to have a swing failure pattern. And then that's when we had the weekly VWAP, we had the 618, and then that's when we took the 800% short that we just hit. And so now we started to come down. And then on July 18th, I keep saying June, July 17th. On July 18th, we were longing down here because Max had the idea of a swing failure pattern of these lows right here. We got that, and we moved to the upside. And then, wouldn't you know, we were looking at a swing failure pattern of these highs right here, right? So if you guys want to be a part of it, all of this is free, by the way. All of this information is free. This is not in some type of paid group or anything like that. Again, we're trading all of this over on Bybit, so make sure you guys head down below, sign up to Bybit and trade this over with us, because you can see here, like I said, Max doesn't play any games. He is taking tons of trades. You guys can see all of these trades that he's taking if you join the Discord too. Again, this is completely for free. But yeah, so we were shorting the highs to the dollar, longing the lows to the dollar, shorting the highs to the dollar, longing the lows to the dollar, shorting the highs to the dollar the entire time. And again, all of these are right now because of the swing failure patterns, because of Max's DP strategy, where that's exactly why we have these swing failure pattern ideas, and you can see all of them showing up here for that Max is looking at usually for the day. Because we can also think of this section right here. And I remember, yeah, Max shorted this area right here. What is this? 3,100. Let's see. So here, I remember we were trying to short this. I was trying to short this right here. And this happened from yesterday. So we'll go over yesterday. So yesterday I was trying to short right here. As you guys can see, this is like 30,900, but I just kept fumbling. I kept misclicking and I kept fumbling my numbers and stuff, and I missed it. But you can see here, Max 30,993 was his short entry, and 31,993, 31,993. So let's go ahead and add these coordinates. 30,993, boom, ends up getting himself into that short for the swing failure pattern idea. And then we start to head down. And again, all of this was done live in the live trading. You guys can see that. And so now we've come all the way down to here. And this happened at 3 in the morning my time. This happened at 7 something my time. I haven't traded any of this stuff yet because we just been kind of going sideways. And I've got to go take care of some other stuff. But people in the live chat right now are definitely trading some of these. You can see here Ocean is talking and stuff like that. So yeah, and then we also have our sniper entries that we've got. I mean, Max. Yeah, this is right here. This is exactly his trade, 30,993. That's his sniper entry that he ended up getting with that trade. So all around, I think that we have been basically I mean, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I mean, it is the truth. We have been absolutely nailing as a group, nailing the highs and the lows and the highs and the lows and the highs and the lows. And we have all the proof of it there too. For you guys can go check all of that stuff out. But what do we see in the immediate short term for the day? Well, we already had a possibility of the swing failure pattern happening right now. It's because we had this coming in, and you guys can see I'm on the 5-minute chart. We're not out here on the 1 minute or 4 hour like most of these other people. Like, we're here to make money. We've had this swing failure pattern right here. So I would say that the next areas that we'd be looking for some of the possibilities would be somewhere around here. So let's say this is 30,450, and then to the downside, oh boy. Let's see, where the hell is this at? Whew. I mean, I don't know, to the downside. Oof. This is not looking good, to be honest with you guys. We have these lows, so we'd have to be looking for possibilities of swing failure patterns for longs with all these lows that I have marked out here. So yeah, and then we're now using the VWAP as support. So yeah, the only thing that I would be more looking forward to is this possible swing failure pattern right here coming in. So I'm going to go ahead and post this idea in the Discord. And if you guys do join the Discord, you're going to be put in the watchers section first, right? And then if you get put in the watchers, most of these ideas that we're doing are in the traders and charters section. And the way that works is the traders and charters, you have to just post up your ideas in the Bitcoin charts or any of these. You have to just post up your ideas and show that you're actually willing to learn how to trade. I have a course that I can offer you guys. if you're interested in paying for a course, or you can go down below this video and there is a free course that I put together of other YouTubers. But no matter what you do, you're going to have to learn how to trade and learn how to chart in order to be moved up to here. So what I'll do is I'll look through the Bitcoin charts or Bitcoin whatever, and I'll see that, hey, this person is posting up and they know what they're talking about. I'll right click, go to roles, go to charter or trader, and add you to that so you can start getting access to the people who are actually serious about trading. You can see here I did it with Felix, I did it with this person, BK or BG, I did it with this person, MD. And so it's like, as soon as you show that you've studied and you're interested and you're actually here to trade, you'll get added to this and you have the swing failure ideas. For the Neo's ideas section, that's just, and you guys can see here, we do take losses as well. For the Neo's ideas, all you got to do is go down below the video, sign up to bybit using my information down below. And once you do, message me on Discord, and then I'll add you as a supporter. And when you become a supporter, you get access to all these channels. The Sushi Swap, 35%, 24%. I didn't even, Aave, 17%. Cardano, 17. This one is 30% so far. Bitcoin. This one so far 17% profits, and again, if you're using leverage like 10x leverage, this is 170% profit. You know, I mean, it's absolutely madness out here. So don't forget to sign up and message me when you do sign up to Bybit, and that's where we're trading all of these coins as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. This is just a little quick daily update. I don't have any bigger term time frame stuff. You guys can watch other YouTubers for that big term time frame shenanigans, because anybody could be right when you're talking about the 4-hour or the 6-hour charts and stuff like that. We're here to make money on a daily basis. So if you guys want to be a part of that group that live trades, and you don't have to pay to be a part of the live trading community who's actually out here killing the game, you guys know who to join. With proof. We have proof. And if you don't believe us, join the live trading channel and trade along with us, and you'll see the proof in the moment. None of this is hindsight stuff here, so you guys can even check the dates. So yeah, we just had a bunch of people. Wow, that's a lot of people. Okay, so anyways, I'm done. Peace.